Does yoga help to reduce and eliminate low back pain? Fantastic. I tell you, yoga is a beautiful exercise, a lovely exercise to do. We have forgotten Indian culture. We have forgotten our forefathers. Before you get into yoga, it's better to ask the doctor. Very, very important. What are the good postures to avoid back pain? Very good one. In fact, I'm giving a talk in a couple of weeks on ergonomics, which I'll address the issue there. The correct posture is you'll have to stand erect, broad shoulders, stomach inside, shoulders like that. You'll have to stand like in the military. When you sit, what will happen? The backrest should be there and your knee should be perpendicular to the thigh. That's very, very important. And lying down, you lie on a firm mattress, either on your back or on your chest. Try to avoid lying on your sides. That's very, very important. I shall speak to you about ergonomics in the next 2 weeks. I will tell you all that. What is the criteria for osteoporosis? Does osteoporosis at early age? Yes, osteoporosis occasionally can happen even in males. It can also happen in females less than 30. One, for no rhyme and reason occurs, or due to hormonal insufficiency like premature ovarian failure when people are taking steroids. The criteria for osteoporosis in the spine is again a DEXA T-score of minus 2.5. That's very, very important. So that is done with the DEXA machine. Thus, epidural injection during pregnancy leads to long-term pain in the upper lumbar region. 100% no. 100% no. Lot of people will come and tell me, சார் எனக்கு டெலிவரி ஆகும்போது ஒரு ஊசி போட்டாங்க சார், அதனால தான் அது வலிச்சது. எப்பமா டெலிவரி ஆச்சு? 15 வருஷம் முன்னாடி ஆச்சு. Epidural injection will not cause low back pain. And even spinal anesthesia. Spinal anesthesia, and people will develop low back pain or something like that for a day or two more. They get headache only. So don't attribute to all this spinal anesthesia for low back pain. My age is 40 years. When I stand at one place continuously for more than 30 minutes since last 1 year, this stays for a long time, sometime only, but I have pain for standing for more than 30 minutes. Sometimes it happens when I sit in a chair continuously. The worst thing which one can anybody do is to sit in a chair a long time. And I'm sorry, we are all wedded to the television. We sit in the most awkward positions. First, sit properly. Number two, do not sit for a prolonged period of time. If you sit for more than half an hour, it's a problem. You just sit up, just walk around a little and then come back and sit. That's very, very important. Does low back pain relate with high blood pressure, heart issue? 100% no. 100% no. I have a back pain between L4 and L5, the left side. That pain is causing back the pain as well as transmitting from a left leg. My age is 32. The last 2 years, how can I overcome it? See, the first important thing which you have to do now, you looks like you have got sciatica. There is a compression in the nerve root. You may have to consult a spine surgeon. He has to do an MRI. He'll completely clinically evaluate you. And then if there is no definite neurological deficit, you get into conservative line of treatment, like you stop smoking, no alcohol, reduce your weight, do your exercises, and more than that, back care, how to sit, how to stand, etc. If there is a neurological deficit, then the spine surgeon will think of putting the knife on you and thinking of doing a discectomy. How can we detect chronic pelvic inflammatory disease? Very simple, ma. You may run episodes of temperature. You have low back pain associated with severe pelvic pain. You have painful periods. That's very, very important. Your painful periods. You have some history of surgery in the gynecological tract. You see the gynecologist when they examine, they'll be able to make the tenderness and the pelvic adnexa, and then they do an ultrasound of the pelvis. If not, then they will do a CT or an MRI. It's a gynecologist problem. We have a long seating job in air conditioner along with daily work, stress leading sometime lower back pain. Please suggest suitable precautions. Well, this will be addressed by my lecture on ergonomics in a couple of weeks ago, so you can learn it. Sir, can it happen due to long time on bed and chair? Fantastic. Nowadays, children, adults, including me, we lie down on the cot and read. We take the laptop. It's not a laptop. We keep it on the chest and lie down. We use 3 pillows and 4 pillows. Do not become sedentary. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. So do not lie down in your bed and do work, and sit properly in a chair and do it. Workstation is very important. Ergonomics is very important. To diagnose prostatitis, which is better, CT or MRA? MRA is definitely better. MRA is definitely better because prostate is a soft tissue. It can detect soft lesions better than a CT scan. My husband is frequently suffering from low back pain now. In getting some sensation in the is these symptoms are correlated? Yes, low back pain with a sort of what you call ants creeping down the legs is suggestive of a neurological problem. Kindly see a spine surgeon. Air would like to ask what's the reason for back pain post lifting some heavy load, and this is pain pointed at the lower central of the back. See, when you lift weights the abnormal way, you will develop pain. One thing I'll tell you, if you are a very shrewd person and somebody asks you to lift a weight, ask them to carry it. That's what I do. I ask my wife to lift the weight so that she develops the back pain. If you do not have such an opportunity, you should never carry any weight from the floor with your knees totally straight. You must go down on your knees and then pick it and keep it very close to your body. Again, in ergonomics, I will tell you how to carry a weight, how not to carry a weight. That's very important. Can intestinal ulcer create lower back pain? I've gone through sigmoid colon surgery. Yes, it can. 10 years before I did MRA, found that L4, L5 is degenerated. Nothing to get. With aging, if you take my MRA, all my discs could have got degenerated only. One thing I'll tell you. None of us doctors will treat a patient with the MRA. If I take MRA and do it in 100 people, 90% will have some changes in them. No need. Clinical examination, clinical history, clinical examination only is important. I usually suffer. And what would you suggest to treat and avoid such pain? Thank you. Yeah, back again, you get back again into ergonomics only. What is very, very important is ergonomics. Correct posture maintenance by sitting, standing, lying down, workstation, that we'll discuss. I usually suffer from shoulder pain which gradually moves to the lower back. I feel pain if I sit or stand for some time. Back muscles turn sore. I do feel pain waking early in the morning. Request you to suggest a test I should take for a diagnosis. Extremely sorry. What I feel is you better consult a neurologist. Sorry, you consult an orthopedic surgeon or you consult a rheumatologist. We will see and then take a decision. Because your symptom is suggestive of a disease, but very important is to do a personal clinical examination. If I stand for a long time, I'm getting low back pain. What could be the reason? What is the solution? If you stand for a long time and you develop low back pain, one of the commonest causes is defective posture. If you do not, with a stoop, you stand like that and you're very obese with a big paunch. Sometimes you find the males look pregnant with about 4 or 5 children inside. Obesity is very bad, and a prosperous paunch is very, very bad. It will cause only low back pain. Correct posture should be maintained. That's very, very important. And you should not stand in the same posture for a long, prolonged period of time. You'll have to keep changing your posture. I want to meet a doctor. I have chronic L5 pain, need consultation. Any possibility to meet doctor in Hyderabad? Yeah, you can always go into the internet, the web, and search for a good spine surgeon. There are very good doctors there in Hyderabad also. You can see a spine surgeon and definitely he will put you at ease. How to diagnose myeloma and chronic pelvic inflammatory disease? Myeloma, very important, clinical. They will have anemia, they may have fever, they'll have loss of weight, they have low back pain and they have bone pain. Anemia, blood count will be very low. Hemoglobin will be 6 grams or 7 grams. ESR, called erythrocyte sedimentation rate, will be high, more than 100. Hitting a century like Virat Kohli or Dhoni. And then what will happen is we'll have to do a special blood test for myeloma band and then you can do a bone marrow biopsy. What exercises could be done to cure low back pain? For this, you will have to consult a physiotherapist who will teach you core exercises, stretching exercises. These exercises have to be done twice a day. See, the important problem with patients is the physiotherapist prescribes the exercise, but they expect the physiotherapist to do the exercise. The patient does the exercise. So important. It is like diet, no? They'll go and spend 40,000 rupees and take a dietary plan and they expect the dietitian to follow. No wonder dietitians are very trim, but the patients are still fat. You should follow the advice given by the doctor, the physiotherapist and the dietitian. Compliance is very, very important. I have a pain while bending. I get pain when I wake up in the morning, but after that it is fine. I have shown to multiple doctors, X-ray, MRA, every doctor gave me different reasons. Nothing helped it now. Few doctors said I have a weak backbone, so they need to strengthen them using exercise. From what you tell, I think personally, I don't think you have any major problem because you have done so much of doctor shopping. You will have to meet a good physiotherapist and also correct your posture, your workstation, and more very important, you will have to do back exercises. My husband is frequently suffering from low back pain, is getting some sensation on legs. Is these two symptoms correlated? Yes. When there is a disc lesion, what will happen is it can compress the nerve and they can develop some neurological symptoms. What are the causes for tailbone and possible treatment are available? Yeah, unfortunately, we evolved from a monkey. So the tailbone is still left back behind, though we don't have a tail. But sometimes also cut that is not that. Tailbone, what will happen when you sit? There is a lot of stress and pressure on the tailbone. When this very happens when people drive a two-wheeler. We have roads, but there is no road. No, it is like craters in the moon. From one hole to the other hole, your bike will jump. Or people can fall on their back. They can fracture the tailbone or injure the tailbone. These people, when they sit for a prolonged period of time, they develop pain in the tailbone. You have to see the doctor. For what is that? You have to wear you have to take a cushion called a coccydynia cushion. It is nothing like you see in the swimming pools, no? For you not to get drowned, they give this rubber tubing like things. So it will be circular and in the middle it will be actually empty. So you should use such cushions and sit down there and do some exercises. I have lower back pain only since 2-3 weeks. I feel inflammation at time and this is not continuous. Please suggest. Nothing to worry. Cool yourself. Go and chill yourself with a bottle of beer. Meet a physiotherapist and learn exercises. Again, low back pain, standing for a long time, you'll have to avoid it and do exercise. Should yoga be avoided if you have low back pain? 100%. If you have low back pain, kindly get a clearance from the doctor whether you can do the exercises and kindly demonstrate to them what are the exercises in yoga you are doing. That's very, very important. Yoga is good, but it can also do you harm if you have a lumbar disc lesion or you have spondylolisthesis or something like that. Why we should avoid sleeping on sides? Could you please explain? Very good. See, if you lie either on your chest or you lie on your back, you maintain the integrity of the spinal column. If you lie on your sides, totally curled up in the fetal position, then what will happen is actually the spine will become bent like this if you do it for a long period of time. You're permissible to lie on the sides, but it is best to sleep either on your back or on your chest on a firm mattress. What do you mean by firm mattress? The mattress should not give in, it should not sag. At the same time, it should not be hard like wood. So I actually prefer putting this cotton on the top of a foam. Actually, I put cotton, and that cotton, I don't know the right English word. They call elevum bunge. So that can be put so that it's appreciably firm. It doesn't give way, but at the same time, it's not very hard. And these mattresses have to be changed at least once in 3 to 4 years. We cannot have the mattress if you used. When you got married 35 years ago, our father-in-law would have presented a mattress that cannot go along till we have grandchildren also. So every time you have to periodically check the mattress and change it. Any sleeping tips to avoid back pain? Sleeping tips either on the chest or on the fur or on the back. Use a very, very thin pillow. Use a firm mattress. And when you lie down and suddenly get up, you'll have to go to your side and then get up. Just don't stand up abruptly like that. Lying flat, you can cause lumbosacral strain. Daily 4-minute planks are good for back. Yes, fantastic. You can continue to do that, which I cannot do at this age. How good or bad is the posture correction belt? Posture correction belt, I don't believe in giving it. Sometimes you get pain near the tailbone. What's the reason? I told you, this is not serious at all. And you're only 25 years old. Definitely you would have been going on a bicycle and injured the tailbone. So what you have to do some exercises. And second thing, you can take some mild painkillers if there is severe pain and use a coccydynia cushion. Can we get the PPT? Okay. Can we get the PowerPoint presentation? Now we shall oblige. Whether sitting long 6 hours at all 6 days and few hours at home lead to back pain? Yes, 100%. The IT industry, very good, pays you well, gives you good work, but along with that, it gives you low back pain. It gives you neck pain. Here, what is called as repetitive strain syndrome. In fact, in my ergonomics, I'm going to address all this 2 weeks afterwards. So very, very important. Be active. Be active. That's very, very important. Running will help to reduce lower back pain. Definitely. Definitely running will help. My younger brother, who is 25 years old, diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, any medicine or yoga exercise would you suggest which can reduce the pain? Extremely sorry, gentlemen. I cannot give any prescription across this webinar. You may have to consult a rheumatologist of your choice, not necessarily to consult me. You can consult any rheumatologist who will advise you correctly. Can rheumatoid arthritis cause lower back pain? Very, very, very uncommon. Unless these people have been taking steroids, and steroids have caused osteoporosis for them to develop a fracture. Can chronic spondylosis be cured with drugs, physical exercises, please? Chronic spondylosis is nothing but a degeneration of the disc. Treatment again is exercise, 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 and proper posture maintenance and ergonomics. Do we need chair like office chair when we work at home? Yes, you should definitely use. You should definitely go in for an ergonomics chair at home, because see, your bread and butter is sitting down and doing work. Why should you fall ill? Spend a few thousands and then get a chair and sit comfortably at home. I have pain while bending. I get pain when I wake up in the morning, but after that it is fine. That's why I said nothing to get worried. This also is finished. I think all the questions are over. Any more questions? Some questions are getting repeated again. What is the difference between natural back pain and minor accidental, which is more critical and has to be diagnosed? See, minor low back pain, it's just a back pain of 1 or 2 days duration. It will settle by itself. So it should be less than 4 weeks. If it goes then more than 4 weeks and goes beyond 12 weeks, you'll have to be definitely go to the doctor immediately. Does lying in bed and working on laptop increase the issues of SLBA? I told you 100% don't lie down on the cot. In fact, I want to remove the cot out of the house when people lie down on the cot and do that work. No. When people are working at home, the bedroom should get locked. For 2 things. One, you do not lie and do the work. Number 2, you don't go and sleep there. So 2 things are there. Lock the bedroom window. Don't lock the bedroom door. Don't go into the bedroom and start doing your work. That's very, very important. Cesarean, after cesarean surgery, anesthesia. I told you no. Anesthesia will not cause any back pain at all for cesarean. There is no at all. Not at all. There is nothing like that. And then, yeah, same questions only have come. Yeah. Now, one small required thing I'll tell you. Now we are probably after 2 Sundays, I'm getting back with a very good presentation on ergonomics, which will be what you call tailored to your workstation, your posture maintenance, sitting, standing, lying down, carrying a weight, how to sit in a chair, which is the right chair one could use. Most of us have the bad habit, no, of keeping the cell phone like this and talking, just like that. You'll talk like that. You'll develop neck pain. Very, very bad. People have the bad habit, of just sitting like that and reading a newspaper like that. So all this, how your eye along should be with the computer screen, etc. We'll have a very interesting talk on ergonomics of the 2 weeks. I promise to do a very good job. I don't know whether I've done a good job now, but definitely I'll try to do a better job.